Have you ever learned English for years, but when someone asks, "How are you?" you only answer, "I'm fine." Or maybe you don't know how to talk about your daily routine, your hobbies, your weekend plans, or even the weather? Today, I will teach you natural English expressions that native speakers actually use in daily conversations. And after this video, you will never feel blank again in small talk conversations. Let's start.
Welcome to Shadowing English, ESC, your channel where you learn English the smart way by shadowing.
1. Asking, "How are you?" Most learners only know, "How are you?" "I'm fine." But in real life, there are many variations. Common ways to ask. How are you doing? How's it going? How have you been? What's up? How's everything? How are things? How's life? Natural responses. Instead of "I'm fine," try "I'm doing great." "Pretty good." "Not bad." "Can't complain." "I've been busy lately." "I'm a bit tired." "Could be better." "I'm hanging in there." Mini dialogue. "Hey, how's it going?" "Pretty good, just a bit busy with work. How about you?" "Same here. It's been a hectic week." See? That sounds natural. 2. Talking about daily routines. Now let's talk about daily routines. Common expressions. I usually wake up at 6. I get up early. I hit the snooze button. I grab a cup of coffee. I head to work. I start work at 9. I take a lunch break. I finish work at 5. I get home around 6. I wind down by watching YouTube. I go to bed around 10. Useful adverbs. Usually, normally, often, sometimes, rarely, hardly ever, every day, on weekdays. Mini dialogue. What's your daily routine like? I usually wake up at 6, go for a quick jog, then head to work. After work, I just relax at home. 3. Talking about hobbies. This is very important in small talk. Asking about hobbies. What do you do in your free time? What are your hobbies? What do you enjoy doing? What are you into? Talking about your hobbies. I'm into photography. I'm really into music. I enjoy reading. I love cooking. I'm a big fan of hiking. I've recently started learning guitar. I spend a lot of time playing games. I'm trying to get into fitness. Mini dialogue. What do you do in your free time? I'm really into reading and traveling. Oh, nice. What kind of books do you read? 4. Weekend plans. This is very common on Fridays. Asking about plans. Any plans for the weekend? What are you up to this weekend? Got anything planned? What are you doing this Saturday? Talking about plans. I'm planning to visit my parents. I'm thinking of staying home. I might go out with friends. I'm going to catch up on sleep. I have a few errands to run. I'm meeting some friends. Nothing special. Mini dialogue. Any plans for the weekend? Yeah, I'm planning to watch a movie and maybe hang out with friends. How about you? I'll probably just stay home and relax. 5. Talking about the weather. Weather is the safest small talk topic. Common expressions. It's really hot today. It's freezing. It's chilly. It's humid. It's pouring. It's drizzling. It's cloudy. It's sunny. The weather is unpredictable. It looks like it's going to rain. The weather has been crazy lately. Mini dialogue. It's so hot today, isn't it? Yeah, it's boiling. I can't stand this heat. Ugh, I hope it rains later. Now repeat after me. How's it going? Pretty good. I usually wake up at 6. I'm really into music. Any plans for the weekend? It's freezing today. Practice them out loud. Don't just watch. Speak. If you want to speak English naturally, you must master daily conversation expressions like these. Comment below. How's it going? And answer it naturally. If this video helped you, like this video, subscribe, and share it with a friend who always says, "I'm fine." See you in the next lesson.
Welcome to Shadowing English, ESC, your channel where you learn English the smart way by shadowing.